Hi guys, if you are wondering if eBay dropshipping is still working in 2023, before we start the video, the answer is yes, it still works and people still make a lot of money with eBay dropshipping. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing guys everything you need to know about eBay dropshipping, my experience. I have been doing dropshipping on eBay for, I would say like 4 years or 3 years. So all you have to do guys is keep watching this video till the end. But before we start, please drop a like. I'm gonna be showing guys what platform I use to dropship, and I'm gonna be showing you everything I know about eBay dropshipping, all my experience. I'm gonna be showing you guys all these things. I am not trying to sell you a course or anything. This is just a free video. I don't have any course, and I'm just going to show you guys everything I know about eBay dropshipping, how you can find winning products, and how you can find the products that people are searching for. Okay guys, let's get started right now. So as you can see here, this is AliExpress website. A lot of people use Amazon as a supplier on eBay, but I don't recommend Amazon because the profit margin is very low. Like you can only make like 10% of the sale. For example, if someone ordered an order from your store on eBay and the price of that order is $100, so if you dropship using Amazon, you only make like $5, $10, which is not good. If you look at other suppliers like AliExpress, I have been using AliExpress for 4 years. AliExpress is the best for dropshipping because the profit margin can be, I would say like 40%. Okay, now yeah, that's exactly guys what you need to do. You want to use AliExpress as a supplier because AliExpress is the best. You want to just search for AliExpress. I know a lot of you, a lot of people that watch these kinds of videos, they already know AliExpress is like a very big website in China. This is a Chinese website, and you might be wondering if people like from eBay, people that will purchase from your eBay store, if they are going to care about the time, the shipping time. They don't really care. Okay, they don't care about the shipping time. You can like 20 days is fine for a lot of people on eBay. So what I do guys, most of the time I go to eBay and I search for people that dropship. How can I find these people that do dropshipping? Because I need to copy them. I need to copy what they are listing on eBay. I need to see what they are selling, what is the history. I mean, what is the like how many items this person sold in the last 30 days. That's what I search for. If someone, for example, if I search for an item on eBay and I saw someone has like 3 sales and I check the time of these 3 sales and I see in the last month, then I have to still list this. I have to list the same title, probably the same pictures, but if I can find better pictures, I am going to list it with better pictures. Now what I do guys, I go to AliExpress and I search for a product. It could be any product. For example, there are a lot of categories on AliExpress here. As you can see, categories: women's fashion, phone, computer, office, security. Now I'm just going to select a random product. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going, for example, to select I'm going to select, for example, this item here. Now what I am going to do guys, I am going to see if other sellers on eBay sell the same item. I am going to copy the title of this item and I'm going to go to AliExpress. Now I'm going to click on search and I'm going to see if these sellers are selling the same item or not. As you can see here, from India, you can see here where this if you see from China, then and the seller lives in another country, not in China, then this seller is dropshipping from AliExpress. Now if you click, for example, on the item, you can see here India, and when you click on the username of the person, he lives in let me check about, click on about, and you can see here the location is India. So this guy doesn't dropship. You can see if someone is dropshipping if they are listing a product and the location is China, but when you go to their store, when you go to the location of the store, like there is another country, for example Thailand, or another country, it's not China, then you can make sure that this person is dropshipping and you can make sure you copy this person. Now I'm going to search for another. If you couldn't find dropshippers using this method. You just want to go to AliExpress and search for another product that people are selling on eBay. So I'm going, for example, I'm going to select this product. I'm going to copy the title and I'm going to paste it on eBay here. Okay guys, it says here China, from China. I'm going to click on the item. Now the item location is China, that's what we want. But what if this person does live in China? If this person lives in China, that we can't compete with this person because this guy doesn't dropship. He lives in Hong Kong, which is in China, so we can't compete with this guy. We want dropshippers that are using dropshipping. Okay, so I'm going to look for someone who is dropshipping. For example, this guy, the location is China, but what about the location of the store? I'm going to click on about, and as you can see here guys, it's not China, so this guy is dropshipping from AliExpress, which is a very popular website for dropshipping. Now what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to search on the store of this person what this guy is selling. Okay, now after guys you are on the store, what you want to do guys, you want to scroll down. Okay, after you are on the store of someone that you think is dropshipping, you want to scroll down and click on see all. As you can see, click on see all so that you can select sold items. Okay, you want to scroll down a little bit, and if you can see here in the left, you can see here sold items. That's what we want. We don't care about listings of someone who doesn't sell anything. We want to copy someone who is successful, who is doing great, so that we can copy their listings. Now you want to click on sold items, and then you can see what this guy is selling. Okay, for example, this guy sold it in you want to click on the listing, and as you can see here, the listing has ended, and this guy sold three items. Okay, as you can, 3 items. Click on three items, click on these 3 items, and you will see the history. So I don't want to log in using my eBay. Now you just want to click on 3 sold listings here, as you can see, after you select the item, and you will see their when this item was sold. If it's sold in the last month, for example in the last 30 days, then you have to copy the same title. First search for it on AliExpress, search for it if it has a good profit margin. Like after you search for it guys, you wanna download the pictures. You just wanna download the extension on Google Chrome and download the pictures and the description and put it, and then start listing on eBay and download the pictures on AliExpress of the same product, and make sure you reduce the price to, for example, $4. So that's what I do guys most of the time. Now if you click on these three sold, and if you see that this person has sold 3 items in the last 30 days, then you can list this item. But if this person sold 3 items, for example 3 months ago, then don't even waste your time listing this item, because you want to look for items that are proven to work, and you have to copy the title of the person that is on eBay. Okay, copy the title of this person, but the pictures and other things you can copy them from AliExpress, from the supplier that is selling the same product. So I hope guys this video helped. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, so let me know. Like I said guys, if you need any help, see you guys in the next video. Please drop a like. See you guys next video.